Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have solution for anyone battling unpleasant odors in their footwear. Introducing the Glovestix StankStix, the best StankStix for shoes. If you've ever faced the nightmare of smelly shoes, boots, or sports gear, this product might just be the game changer you need. The Glovestix StankStix, formerly known as ShoeStix, offers an innovative approach to odor elimination. Designed with cutting-edge silver seal technology, these deodorizing sticks don't just mask odors, they neutralize them effectively. Whether it's your favorite pair of running shoes or your child's soccer cleats, the StankStix are equipped to tackle even the toughest smells. One of the standout features of the StankStix is their ability to absorb moisture. Moisture is often a key contributor to foul odors, and the replaceable deodorizing bags included with the product ensure that your shoes stay fresh and dry. With a gentle scent derived from plant-based essential oils, you can feel confident that your shoes will smell great without the use of harsh chemicals. These sticks are not limited to just shoes, they are perfect for a range of athletic gear. Think boxing gloves, hockey pads, lacrosse gear, and even gym bags. Just insert the StankStix into your gear after each use, and let them work their magic. They fit comfortably, and their removable handles allow you to customize their size to suit different footwear, from tall boots to kids' shoes. Using the StankStix is incredibly simple. Just twist off the end cap, place them inside your shoes or equipment, and replace the insert bags every 3 to 4 months. This easy maintenance means you won't have to worry about odors creeping back in. Plus, with a lifespan of up to 10 years, you're investing in a long-term solution for freshness. What I love about the Glovestix StankStix is that they were born out of a real need. Krista Woods, a mom from Virginia, invented these after realizing just how many athletes struggled with similar odor issues across different sports. She even showcased them on Shark Tank, where they gained significant recognition and popularity. So, whether you're an athlete, a parent, or just someone looking to keep their shoes smelling fresh, the Glovestix StankStix is your go-to solution. Non-toxic, effective, and versatile, they're designed to handle the odor challenges of modern life. In conclusion, if you're tired of dealing with stinky shoes and sports equipment, give Glovestix StankStix a try. They might just become your new best friend in the fight against odor. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more reviews and product insights. Until next time, keep it fresh.